Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I get a lot of questions about, how hackers get into businesses, into all sorts of government services. And of course, the same question comes all the time about how do they do it? What's wrong with the security? And I'm going to do a series of videos that's going to explain some of the ways that they actually get in and how they do. So the first one, it's the most important. When you get employees into any services or a business, training is key. And the reason why, uh, just a couple of hours of training and of basically explaining how hackers work and what to really be careful of makes a huge difference in your company being secure or not, your network being secure or not. And I talk about companies, you might say, well, this is for business. The same applies for home users, especially when you're a big family, everybody uses the same PC. There's a reason why a little bit of talk, especially a little bit of information about how all of this happens is important, because I say it all the time. Antivirus is not what protects you. And if it would, then why are these big companies that often have a lot of security still get hacked, still get, lose control of everything? It's very simple. It's because of the human behind the computer or the keyboard. So the training will actually give you, and reading on the subject and even listening to these videos, because you're going to learn by checking out these videos. So we say it all the time, email is one of the first things that is the worst for security. Every time you actually reach to your email, so much scam going on, so much emails going through that give you links that you shouldn't be clicking on, or attachments of files that you shouldn't be going and click on or download. These are things you have to be careful of. Of course, going on the internet into shady websites, which means it's fine to go to some of the websites you might want to go to, but it is important to understand that if anybody in your business, anybody in your family decides that he wants to go to shady websites, maybe porn sites, maybe illegal download sites, this is particularly dangerous for families. One of the biggest dangers I've noticed in my tech duties is that families will tend to not have any specific security barriers for everybody. So everybody's an admin using the same account, and maybe, someone will be fine with the PC, but then your kid gets in, or maybe, somebody from afar that stays at your place for a few days, a few weeks, and they go and have their habits of downloading illegal software, or maybe even telling you, oh, I can download that software for free for you. I know where to get it with, the crack to have it working and so on. Well, all of that is dangerous. And that is the human nature making it dangerous. All of these things, illegal movie sites, illegal downloads of software, of music, and so on, are all extremely dangerous for the security of a computer. So the training in itself is to just, learn about the dangers. No shady websites, no porn sites, no going to download illegal software, music, movies, etc. And be extremely careful about emails. Don't click on everything you see. Don't click on every link. That's super dangerous too. When you abide by these rules and are careful with your computer, that keeps you safe. And so, once again, anybody thinking, well, I got a good antivirus for that, is totally not understanding security and Don't think that that company that got hacked or that service, that government service that got hacked didn't have good security with antivirus, thinking it's safe. Same thing. Remember, the majority of new viruses are undetected by your antivirus. It's up to you to be safe. When I see somebody saying, yeah, right, thinking that people are going to be safe, are going to be careful and be safe because they know what they're doing. Well, they actually do, because the amount of people getting actually viruses isn't that high. It's up there, but it's always because they did something either illegal or wrong or something you shouldn't do. It's always abide by the rules. So, the human in front of the keyboard, that's your number one security. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.